Hey guys and gals, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating the famous Learjet A250. This one's out of a 73 Jensen Interceptor. Comes from Greg in Elm Grove, Wisconsin. Thank you, Greg, for your business all the way from Elm Grove, Wisconsin. And Greg has requested the modern internal conversion with the new harness so that the unit's going to have a lot more output power than it did before. And so, now one thing I'll say is I don't have the correct knobs for this, so I need to kind of play musical knobs for certain functions. We'll go ahead and turn the unit on. I've got it set to FM at the moment. Okay, now we can put the knob back on. So let's go down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Forward with your seditious.
Ya estamos.
Us these 5 cents
are cashing in over the
when you start to wail and your face turns pale, you gotta bump until you piss the pop.
Sorry, I accidentally hit the balance control.
Play every hour from 6 till.
in that ruffle skirt she was wearing. That's 928-5
with you, and summer's here.
In Potomac, Maryland.
Swimsuits for the confidence.
Okay, let's go to AM. Now we're on AM. We get one strong station around the center.
Is a concept.
Okay, there's our strong AM station. Let's check our balance and fader functions. Okay, we have our original left-right balance control. All the way left, all the way right.
In the name of health,
all the way left,
do anything
right.
you want.
Okay, I'm going to activate the virtual front-rear fader.
18 Prager 776.
Okay, front-rear fader. Here we go.
Fader adjust.
Okay, all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers.
Fader set.
Okay, balance and fader. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode, indicating that that's working properly.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so that's working properly because it's now trying to pair with a portable audio device. She'll come back on in 90 seconds saying pairing not completed. Let's go ahead and run the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
That make it easy for customers.
Why don't they take the time to understand what you're doing to me? She's lonely, like I never. There is no other.
Okay, blank spot there.
Someone to love, and if
End of a song there.
you understand. Not the girl for you.
Okay, eject the tape. Radio comes back. Okay, and that concludes the test. We got Bluetooth, AM, FM, eject, track change. Everything is groovy. So, she's ready to go back to the customer. Let's go ahead and turn it off. It is now off, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me through my website below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because now there's at least 12 different options for fixing the radio. There's just no time to discuss all of them when you can just refer to the website and written material. So, thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. Thank you, Greg, for your business all the way from Elm Grove, Wisconsin. This is another 73 Jensen Interceptor radio conquered and converted. Thanks so much for watching and listening. See you guys next time.